Model, 2015 Ford Transit 350 TDCI-155 rear-wheel drive L2H1 medium wheelbase, one-stop flatbed tipper no VAT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 94,641. MOT, the 22nd of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2155 PS TDCI-F. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. The tipper is in fully working condition and on the whole a genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link